Hi, I downloaded an ISO file, but instead of looking like this icon, I found this zip file icon. It opens with WinRAR. If I check its properties, it's ISO file, but the icons has been changed. So let's fix it and bring it back to its real classic look. Firstly, we need to enable Extension Show. File Explorer options, then View and finally untick Hide Extensions. Now it's showing its ISO extension. Now right-click on the zipped icon. Open with, chose another app, simply chose Windows Explorer, and always. Within a second, the icon is now turned to the disk, the classic icon of ISO file. So, this is the way you can simply turn your zipped-looking ISO file to classic look easily. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.